Previously, we talked about my JD, okay, my tasks, and for this video, we're talking about the tools, okay. Jam, what are the tools that we use as a VA sourcer? And I'm about to tell you everything right now. Hopefully, this is everything because this is what, as far as I remember. But these are the things that are the tools that I use a lot. All right. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jam, and I am your VA sourcer and the founder of Barangay VA Community and Barangay VA University. And for this video, let's call this series the VA Sourcer Life, and this is episode 3. And let's talk about tools that I use as a VA sourcer. Let's go. Okay, a lot of tools actually. Let's start with number 1. Okay, Google Workspace. I am not super proficient with MS 360. Was it 360 or 365? With Teams, I don't normally use that anymore because I've been a Mac user ever since. But I used to be proficient with that, with the MS, PowerPoint, Excel, Word. But I think pretty much it's almost the same already with the Google Workspace. So that's what I use. And when you say Google Workspace, that's Google Mail, Google Calendar, Google Drive. That's also your Google Appointments. That is also your Google Docs, Sheets, Present, all of those things. No? So that's what I use. Number 2, of course, my editing platforms, I only use 3. Canva, Audacity, and CapCut because I do podcasts at the same time. Buhay na ako dyan. Like, I can do a lot of things with all these 3 platforms already. Number 3 are AI platforms that we love. We have ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, Canva AI, and Lovable. I love all these AI platforms and a lot more that I'm testing right now that maybe I can share to you guys in the future, but it's only going to be in another episode or another series. So let's talk about that in the future. But AI tools that I normally use on a daily basis. Next, when it comes to of course me, I need to be able to learn how to use all the social media platforms. So as a marketer, dapat alam ko lahat ng platforms yan. Kabisado ko dapat lahat yan. All their updates and so. Alright, so Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Threads, you have YouTube, you have Spotify, all of those platforms, dapat kabisado mo. Of course, NAS.io is where I host my job or career board at the same time right now. But there's another direction. That's why we created a new one through Lovable AI because nag-iba yung direction ng platform. So we will be transferring to that platform very, very soon. I'll update you guys. Next is when I plan processes, when I plan strategies, I use Mural. If I plan for projects, I use Mural. It's like the whiteboard feature of Canva, but this one is a different app. Okay, it's an independent app. For streaming, recording, I use StreamYard. Dati I use Loom, but kasi mas mura sa StreamYard. Not mura. StreamYard is not mura at all. But what's good about StreamYard is you can record and you can go live streaming across multiple platforms at the same time. So that's what I do. Next is project management tools. I use Monday.com. I actually use Monday.com and Airtable for my content calendar. So, but mostly ngayon Monday.com kasi it's automated with my Slack channel. So there. So Monday.com, Airtable, ClickUp, and Trello are the project management tools that I already used and I used a lot of times already. When it comes to messaging platforms, Slack, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and Discord. And I have other platforms that I use as well, such as OLJ or Online Jobs, PH, Workable, HubSpot, Sales Navigator of LinkedIn, and Indeed. Some of the job boards as well. Of course, let's not forget about Zoom, Google Meet, okay, for meetings, online meetings and presentations, and many more. As I mentioned, I may have forgot about some of the tools that I normally use, but top of mind, ito yung mga tools na ginagamit ko as a VA sourcer. And if you're planning to be one, maybe these are the things that you need to learn starting today. And of course, strategies that you need to do para kayo ay maging effective na VA sourcer. Alright, so that's it for me for today. And I'll talk about the next video sa introduction ng next video. Kasi as of now, I'm recording already episode 3 and I don't know, I'm out of what to talk about for the next videos already, but I'm sure in a bit may isip ako and then mag-record ulit ako. Alright, maraming salamat guys. I'll see you there. Bye!